Thank you for supporting our channel. We are a non-profit organization focused on creating free educational content. Give us a like in this video, share, and subscribe to our channel. Learning multiplication facts is super important. It's like learning your ABCs for math. Multiplication helps us solve problems fast. It makes us math superheroes. Are you ready to start this exciting mission? Let's learn some cool tricks and tips. We'll start with easy multiplication facts. Then we'll move to trickier ones. Don't worry, we'll have fun along the way. First stop, the number 1. It's the simplest of all. Anything multiplied by 1 stays the same. Easy peasy, right? Think of it as a mirror reflecting the same number back at you. Next up, the number 2. It's all about pairs. Multiplying by 2 is like doubling a number. Imagine having 2 apples and then getting 2 more. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 plus 3. Now let's high five the number 5. It's a fun one. Notice how the 5 times table always ends in a 0 or a 5. It's like a rhythm. Count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. You got it. It's like counting the fingers on your hand. 3s can be tricky, but we have a secret weapon. Skip counting. Let's skip count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. What about the number 4? We need to learn how to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by 4 is easy to memorize. 9 is fine, and squares are super unlocking multiplication secrets. In this section, we will explore some fascinating tricks that make multiplication easier and more fun. The number 9 has a cool trick. It's a simple yet powerful method that can help you multiply by 9 quickly. Spread out your 10 fingers. This trick uses your fingers as a visual aid to make the process intuitive. To multiply 9 by a number, bend down that finger. For instance, if you want to multiply 9 by 3, bend your third finger. For example, to find 9 times 3, bend your third finger. This creates a visual separation on your hands. Count the fingers to the left of the bent finger, which is 2. This represents the tens place in your answer. Then count the fingers to the right, which is 7. This represents the ones place. So the answer is 27. Pause. 3. Another 9's trick. The sum of the numbers in the multiplication is also 9, 27. You have 2 plus 7 equals 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. Also, you bend down the fourth finger. Your 3 finger on the left, 6 fingers on the right. Squares are multiplying a number by itself. This concept is fundamental in mathematics and helps in understanding areas and exponents. Imagine a square with sides of 2. Each side is equal, making it easy to visualize the multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 4. This is a simple example of squaring a number. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. Multiplication power up. Practice makes perfect. Learning multiplication takes practice. Don't worry, it can be fun. Play multiplication games. Use flashcards with your friends. Make up songs or rhymes for tricky facts. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Remember, every superhero needs to train. You've got this. Celebrating multiplication success. You did it. Your hard work and dedication have paid off. You're on your way to becoming a multiplication master. Each step you take brings you closer to mastering those multiplication tables. Keep practicing and soon you'll know all your multiplication facts by heart. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. It's okay to take your time and understand each concept thoroughly. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress. Every small victory is a step towards your goal. Now go out there and show the world your amazing multiplication skills. You got this. Your journey is just beginning, and the sky's the limit. Thanks for watching.